The Geographia. Practical aspects of geography. An example from classroom. The history of the subject of geography is very ancient than any other subject. Our ancient ancestors also used to apply place and knowledge, but practical knowledge was very negligible compared to today. Location-related curiosity and knowledge helped in transferring ancient man from one place to another. Therefore, practical knowledge of location is of special importance in geography. Scholars of ancient India like Kakya, Aryabhata, Payai and others used geographical knowledge to advance their practical knowledge. However, scholars like Kakya successfully used many disciplines of political geography within the geographical empire of that time. Between the 14th century and the 17th century, scholars from all over the world expanded the boundaries of their geographical knowledge on the basis of science, as a result of which the real map of the world gradually became clear, but at the same time selfish desires of man also developed. After the Industrial Revolution, as this practical knowledge of man reached mechanizatio, which gave birth to a global capitalist system, which became a means of fulfillment of colonial selfishness, only a few selected countries of the world are standing in the first line in the race for development, and this is the country which has used the knowledge of this subject the most. Its practicality in the present era can be gauged by its highly scientific experiments. For example, GPS, GIS, remote sensing, robotics and engineering have also crossed the boundaries of knowledge. Therefore, it would not be wrong to say that in the future, the war will not be fought by humans but by robots and drones. Knowledge of geography at school level. The knowledge of geography in the school level is limited to the introduction of geography, due to which the subject does not become interesting as a practical discipline among the students. While introducing this subject by the teacher, for example, you can use anything located in the school premises, such as, while explaining the ground, you can mention the grounds or vegetation located in the school. At the higher secondary level, teachers can tell the status of the school through maps located there. Sometimes the name of landforms comes in the course subject, such as glacial landform, which the student may have never seen in real form. In this situation, the teacher can explain by explaining a Bollywood movie. For example, if the topography of the Ladakh region is to be explained as an example of a cold desert, then the interpretation of Three Idiot movie can be used, that is, making the subject interesting. The desire of the students to read geography can become stronger. Use of geography at the local level. Since the subject of geography is related to the study of the surface of the whole earth, so the teacher has no shortage of things to take. For example, the campus of a school can be used to explain geography at the local level. Here as an experiment, we will introduce the location of ND National School, HS, which is shown by the following map. Later understand through the pictures of Google Earth. The actual location of the school and other mathematical calculations have been told by the above Google Earth pictures, such as the latitude, longitude position of the school, the geographical location of the headmaster's office, the boundary and delimitation of the school's delimitation wall, 63 meters, etc. can be calculated successfully. Geographical things and their locational values, latitude and longitude, in the premises of ND Rashtriya Vidyalaya, HS. According to Google Earth Map, school location is 23 degrees 72 minute 35 second north latitude and 86 degrees 90 minute 26 second east longitude. Middle of the school playground is 23 degrees 72 minute 32 second north latitude and 86 degrees 90 minute 31 second east longitude. The location of primary section of the school is 23 degrees 72 minute 37 second north latitude and 86 degree 90 minute 28 second east longitude. The location of midday meal kitchen is 23 degrees 72 minute 34 second north latitude and 86 degrees 90 minute 35 second east longitude. Practical geographical representation of students in the classroom. To make the geography subject more interesting and practical, practical representation of students can be obtained in each class on the basis of its syllabus. For example, rock subject to be read in class 9. Then the teacher will help the students to be found in the area the next day. Can identify different types of rocks. Similarly, models of rivers, lakes, mountains, plateaus or glaciers located on the surface can be prepared, or if possible, teachers can organize educational tours to introduce them to landforms. Therefore, students can use the practical geographical knowledge obtained on the basis of school syllabus to understand them successfully in their daily life, which can prove to be not only permanent but fruitful. Children can use that geographical knowledge acquired by growing up, in moving from one place to another, in understanding geographical activities, interrelationships and international relations. Geography is the practical application of the subject, which is making man relevant even in the modern era. Thank you so much for patiently watching this informative documentary. The Geographia.